Hi! So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abimbola Ateologun. So in this video, I'll take you through how to achieve your everyday makeup look within 10 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes within 10 minutes. And if that is what you want, just keep watching. I'm just going to spice it up with glass. Alright, so the first thing I will want you to do is have your wipes. So with your wipes you tend to clean, so tend to clean there's any dirt, so you clean. So in this video I will be using affordable products. Yes, I mean it, affordable products and Nigerian products as well. So also, this is my first time, this is my first video, so kindly subscribe. This is my first video. I'm kind of shy. All right, but no problem, subscribe so you can encourage me as well. All right, so after cleaning, I am trying to work with my foundation. This is Avour Foundation. Avour Foundation is 15. Avour is like 4,000 naira in the market, in Nigeria market. Avour Foundation. So but before using your foundation, it's your everyday look. You don't need to buy expensive product, like I said. So first thing you do is just moisturize your face. I'm moisturizing with Cosmetics. Okay. So there'll be a link in the comment section for you to probably get how you can get it. So I'm applying my Cosmetics, which is my moisturizer. All right. So after applying that, you go in with your primer. This is my Stay Matte Rimmel Primer. Yeah. Then after then, I'm going in with my foundation. Like I said, Avour Foundation in 15. Yes, that's my color. So this is my foundation brush. Just so you ensure that you blend very well. So, can see. Mhm. So I'm going on with my Melanie powder. Yes, Melanie powder in this is medium shade. This is my first video. So kindly turn your notification button to receive notifications when I drop new content and inspiring. So now I'm going on with my powder. Just put on your powder, just to cover up all the foundation types. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. So that if you're the kind of person that like to do your eyebrow, and if not, then you're good to go. So if you are, then keep watching. So with your mascara one or your spoolie, I think some people call it spoolie, some people call it mascara one. So I'm just drawing my eyebrow. So in my next video, I will take you through how you can get your eyebrow very easily. So if you need to conceal, you can conceal. If you don't, you're good to go. As far as you have gotten a defined, and if you want to conceal, you can as well conceal with a concealer. This is a concealer, or you can just conceal with your foundation as well. So when you conceal, you tend to remove every harsh lines. If there's any place you have done any mistake, just try and you know you are still achieving this look within 10 minutes. So be fast about it. And your boss is waiting for you. And if you're a business person, your clients are there waiting for you. Or your workers are waiting for you. So people like concealing the upper parts, but some, and it's not necessary. So the reason why I use the foundation is so that you can be able to blend it in, blend it into. So, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Beautiful. Right. You then go on with your desired lip color. So, be gentle, please. I'm going on with classic lip gloss in chocolate. Yeah. I think I'm a fan of ombre lips. Yeah. So I'll definitely want to put something. Yeah. And this is NYX products. Yeah. In 588. So you might not use a brush, or you can just apply it straight. But I like and I love using brush. So just go on with your own desired color. I think I love this. Just so ensure that you blend. You blend. If you're using two color, blend very well. Okay, so I think I love this. That's, I'm a fan of gloss. Yes, I love gloss. So I'm just going to spice it up with gloss. Yes. Gloss it up. Yeah. So, just like that, you're good to go. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping videos, inspiring videos, and very interesting videos that will be very good for you. I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.